Hey there, in order to change your date and time on your iPhone, you need to first go to your settings. From here, you need to swipe down and go to General. Now, you need to swipe down and go to Date and Time. So, as you can see, our date and time has been set automatically. As you can see, it has been set automatically. So in order to change our date and time, first step, you need to turn this off. Now from here, tap this and you can select your year and date you want to change. So from here, if you swipe this down, you can change your month, and from here you can change your year. After that, you can change the day, as you can see. So when you have selected your date, time, a year, that's all. You just need to go back and if you see, it has been changed. As you can see, it's 23 February 2021. So it has been changed. You don't need to do anything. You just need to go back and see it has been changed. If you want to change it again, tap here and go to 2005. Just go back, come in. As you can see, it has been changed. So if you think that you have messed around and you don't want this date, you want the original date again, just turn this on. Now as you can see, it has been changed to your original date. So yeah, that's how you change date and time on your iPhone.